Homeopathy. Homeopathy is a powerful medical therapy that helps to restore health by promoting healing through the body's own defense and immune system. This therapy uses individualized remedies according to the physical, mental, and emotional symptoms of the patient. Homeopathy can be very effective towards overcoming many acute and chronic ailments. However, homeopathy has been the target of criticism and skeptics throughout its history. There are four underlying principles that distinguish homeopathy from other therapies. 1. The law of similars. 2. The minimum dose. 3. The single remedy. And 4. The individualized remedy. The law of similars and homeopathy's reliance on individual treatment can be easily understood and accepted by most people. It is the minimum dose and pharmaceutical process of potentization that causes controversy and criticism. Potentization requires remedies to be diluted and succeeded to the point in which it contains nothing of the original substance. According to conventional science, it is impossible for such a substance to have healing effects. Skeptics are led to believe that any beneficial effects must be because of the placebo effect. When trying to prove the efficacy of any medical treatment, double-blind placebo-controlled trials are most widely used and accepted. However, using this type of experimentation with homeopathy can become problematic and lead to very mixed reviews. It becomes difficult to test any single remedy that is homeopathic for efficacy using a double-blind placebo-controlled trial because of the utilization of the principle of an individualized remedy. This principle requires a whole symptom picture and case history to be taken into account when prescribing a remedy. So, one patient may not need to take the same drug or remedy as another patient to achieve a cure. This makes the testing of homeopathic remedies difficult because each trialing person's whole physical, mental, and emotional symptom picture may not be the same as any others. Therefore, sometimes these trials show that homeopathy's effectiveness can sometimes be no better than the placebo. One other principle of homeopathy that makes its testing for efficacy difficult is the minimum dose. This extremely small dose is practically unmeasurable. In conventional science, this makes it untestable as well. However, one branch of science may be able to provide evidence for efficacy of this untestable substance, quantum physics. In conventional classical physics, everything considered physical is observable and therefore measurable. Conversely, with quantum physics, there is the concept of wave function in which its existence may be inferred from the observable effects it produces. So, the waves are not directly observable, but their effects are. Quantum physics looks past molecules and atoms and into a more energetic spectrum. In homeopathy, the vital force interacts with this energetic spectrum. The vital force promotes the bioenergetic process of self-healing. Continuing research and experimentation with quantum physics and homeopathy could lead to a more widespread understanding and acceptance of the theories and practices. The main concept of homeopathy is based on the idea that the body has the ability to heal itself. Many people find this hard to believe, so homeopathy has become a majorly controversial medical practice. Skeptical scientists and physicians cannot accept that an unmeasurable dose can have beneficial effects. Many double-blind, placebo-controlled trials do not always show positive effective results. However, the proof is that it just works. By understanding and utilizing the vital force and the underlying principles of homeopathy, the beneficial effects are insurmountable.